miss you, Dre.
I'm just a young nigga, why I need a bad bitch. She really gonna hold on to that stick. Bitches, you gonna slide, and bitches, you gonna ride till I'm 9. Niggas tryna kill me, yeah, time to dance live. I get to geeking every night, taking all these perks just to numb my feelings inside. Baby, I'm a dog, I could beat up your good, and baby, I could beat up your good. And bitch, I'm a dog, and bitch, I'm a dog. I'm just a young nigga, tryna get rich, all this dough, tryna get some cho. Bitch, I'm a dog, bitch, I'm a dog. I'm tryna make some move like no other dude. Bitch, I'm a dog, now you better get up too. Bitch, I'm a dog. Bitch, I'm a dog. You better get up with a nigga like me. I ain't never been hesitant just to blow that pole. If you ever speak about me on the net, you better stay gold. Cause you know I ain't never been a hoe. I'm really with a gang, you better send that play. Tryna ball up with niggas every day, never been ashamed. I'm tryna take a risk in life. My mama telling me, son, why you gotta change life? Do what I say, ain't nobody gonna do what I can. Cause I ain't compared to none of these lanes. I'm tryna get my money up, and now all these niggas wanna act funny, Yo, bitch, on my dick, now I'm just a dog. Tryna get some money, now she tryna choke. Now she choke. Now she just tryna choke.